What up? What up? What up? What up? This your boy Cash Shuttle, the Boss King, with another Boss King alert. Just wanted to show y'all a few things that I was working on. Wanted to talk to you guys about how the SP 500 index and Ethereum and Bitcoin all correlate a lot of the time. So look at the SP 500 index on the left here. It looks exactly like the Bitcoin chart here on the right. This is a weekly time frame. So I wanted to give you guys a couple tips before you take a big trade or a trade period. You should compare these and see what it's looking like on the charts, because a lot of times they correlate together. People like don't put those two and two together. It's actually a shame that it's correlating this close when we're thinking about decentralized and all this stuff for crypto, when in all actuality, the stock market has a big impact on crypto. And as you can see, the SP 500 looks exactly like the Bitcoin chart on the weekly. And then to a lot of people's surprise, Ethereum also looks the exact same. So before you take a big trade, I wanted to give you guys two tips. This is one of the tips. Look at which way the market is going. The trend is always our friend. And in crypto, you always need to look at the Bitcoin, because the Bitcoin is always it's basically like the SP 500 for crypto. And you also want to look at the SP 500 index, because as you can see, they correlate really tight. Also, I wanted to talk to you guys about, also before you take a big trade or any type of trade, look how all the stable coins are in green. Maybe not all of them, but a lot of them. They should not be green. A stable coin is worth $1. It's $1. Now, what's going on here? Look at Binance USD. What's going on here is smart money is sitting in stable coin because we don't know what type of market this is. This is what I was asking my group what kind of market we was, and we were going back and forth. But it's clearly a bear market. The reason why it's a bear market for Bitcoin. Let's be clear. It's a bear market for Bitcoin. That doesn't mean it's a bear market for all the altcoins. So that's two different things. But in order for it to be altcoin season, Bitcoin needs to go sideways. It can't just tank like this. So we're definitely in a bear market. Clearly, we're way below the 50-day moving average. It's already retraced like 45% from its all-time high. Matter of fact, is it 50? It might be 50% now, because I think the all-time high was 68%. I mean, 68,000, 69K, and we had 38. So smart money is probably sitting in USD trying to figure out what market it was and see if Bitcoin's going to hit that 30K, because that's the next support level. So for me, I'm looking to get in at 30. I know I had called 38K a few weeks ago on my last video, but at this point, I didn't think we were in a bear market, but now it's clearly clear. And it is manipulation going on. But the bottom line is, manipulation or no manipulation, it's a bear market as of now. So I'm looking at maybe if Bitcoin hit 30K, I'm all in. I like Ethereum under 2,000, I'm back all in. See, this is a problem why Ethereum can't grow, because it doesn't have its own balls, for lack of a word. It does what Bitcoin does. It needs to decouple Bitcoin for Ethereum to be successful. And this is why I sold my Ethereum and I jumped into the other so-called ETH killers, every single one of them. AVAX, all of them, Solana, between that and the gas fees. Because what they didn't tell you was that EP update, that was a failure. So I just wanted to bring that to you guys. And just let you know, check these things out before you make a big trade, because it might save you. It's your boy Cash Shuttle, the Boss King. I'm out.